Nestled in the serene landscapes of Roca, Nebraska, 9801, Roca Road offers a harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern amenities. This three-bedroom, two-bathroom brick ranch, built in 1985, spans 2,400 square feet and is situated on a generous 6.18-acre lot, providing ample space for both relaxation and recreation. Main residence highlights: open and airy interiors. The home features multiple skylights and south-facing Bristol windows, ensuring an abundance of natural light throughout the day. Spacious living areas. Large room sizes offer flexibility and comfort, making it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. Energy efficiency. As an all-electric home, it boasts energy-efficient systems, ensuring comfort year-round while being mindful of utility costs. Guest Cottage. Additional living space. An 864-square-foot guest cottage provides a private retreat for visitors or potential rental income. This separate dwelling includes its own bedroom and bathroom, ensuring privacy and comfort. Outdoor and additional features. Expansive steel building. A 60 by 24 steel building equipped with 2 overhead doors and a 14 by 14 insulated heated workshop with 220-volt power offers ample space for projects, storage, or hobbies. Versatile acreage. The property includes a fenced pasture, perfect for those interested in hobby farming, gardening, or outdoor recreation. The open land provides a serene backdrop and numerous possibilities for customization. Location and accessibility. Prime location. Situated just a short drive from Nebraska's Parkway and Southeast Lincoln's amenities, the property offers the tranquility of country living with the convenience of city access. Educational excellence. Located within the highly rated Norris School District, ensuring quality education opportunities for residents. Priced at $600,000, 9801, Roca Road presents a unique opportunity to embrace country living without compromising on modern conveniences. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, space for agricultural pursuits, or a property with guest accommodations, this home caters to a variety of lifestyle needs.